Morning everybody, Derek here from Arcadia Rug Spa, and I thought I'd just give you a quick run through on how we dry rugs. So if you want to just pop in, Sean, we have some serious amount of air movers. Obviously they're not all on at the moment. These generate lots and lots of airflow, and it's dry airflow that you need to dry rugs. So we have an industrial dehumidifier that pulls moisture out of this room, because this room is closed off, pulls the moisture out. It goes down a big tube all the way to the drains. And that creates dry air. The air movers create the airflow, and that's what dries these rugs really quickly. We can dry probably about 10 big rugs in around sort of 12 to 16 hours. The thicker the rug, the harder they are to dry, obviously. Once we come in the morning, I just thought let you know that we have specialist beams as well that we put them on. If Sean can see, these are grooved. We've got special grooves there so that airflow can actually go up where the rug is sitting, because that's probably the hardest part to dry, is where the rug is actually sitting. Once we come in the morning, we get hold of our little protometer. I say little, they're not cheap. Let's switch it on. If Sean can see, it detects moisture in pretty much everything. So we'll go around the rugs and we'll just check them underneath as well, and we'll go through all the actual rugs just to make sure they're all thoroughly dry. Once they're thoroughly dry, get them down, give you a ring, let you know when we'll check them first, obviously make sure that they all look clean. If they're not clean, they go through the actual wash again. But yeah, once they're all nice and dry, they're rolled up, stored, ready for you guys to come and collect. So that's how we dry rugs. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you're interested in anything rug related, whether it's rug cleaning, rug repair or rug restoration, or you're simply after some hints and tips, please subscribe to the channel, leave us a like, you can share the video if you want, or best still, leave a comment. We love your comments. Thanks for watching.